Hello everyone and Assalamu alaikum. Welcome back to my Computer Fundamentals video tutorial. What is a server? So, that is a topic of this video. A server is basically a dedicated computer that provides services on behalf of clients, such as ordinary desktop computers or workstations. So, it's a centralized machine where multiple clients connect to, either over the internet or in a local area network, and they connect to a server for a specific service. As you can see that there are 3 CPUs connected. They form the server, and these are the nodes that are attached to it. So what essentially happens is that on a network, servers are providing some services to other systems that are attached to it. It may or may not have screens attached to it. It can handle multiple requests simultaneously. It has enough hardware and software capabilities that it can handle more than 15 or 20 requests at the same time without affecting its performance. The most commonly found servers are file server, game server, application server, database server, mail server, and print server. Let's talk about the file server. This is a basic type of server used commonly by organizations where lots of users need access to files that are more conveniently and safely stored on a server than a personal computer. Game server. Large gaming networks use servers to connect users from all around the world. These servers host multiplayer online games. Application server. A company that is using many software, it will just keep it on one server, and all the systems can just access that server and use those software. So the company will not need to install individual software on individual systems. It saves lots of cost and time. Database server. A database is a collection of information or data which are organized in such a way that it can be easily accessed, managed, and retrieved. So we can have a system or a server where the database is there and all the users are accessing it for getting the information, updating it, or even deleting it. Mail server. A mail server stores and delivers mail for clients through email service platforms. Because mail servers are set up to continually connect to a network so that individual users can access their email without running any systems through their own devices. Print server. A print server connects remotely to local computers to print through a network. These servers give businesses the ability to use a single printer to serve an entire department. Some printers even come with their own built-in server ready to join a network once they are installed in an office area. Other type of server is the mainframe computer. Whatever example I just gave you was for a small office or a school or maybe a college campus. But in real life situation, if you think of banks or even railway stations or hospitals, they handle lots of data, lots of online real-time data. So in that case, servers which have huge capabilities are required, and that is where mainframes come in. Important features of mainframes are, they are big in size. It means they have huge capacity to hold data and handle instructions. They are 100 times faster than the typical servers, and they are very expensive also. They use proprietary operating system provided by manufacturers. These mainframe servers are not using the operating system that we know of, like Windows, Android, or Mac operating system. These mainframe servers are using proprietary software. That means their software for the operating system is provided by manufacturer itself. As I mentioned just now, these mainframe servers are used in real-life situations. Banks, e-commerce, a high volume of transaction, or railway stations. So they have got lots of sensitive data about lots of people stored there. So they need to be very secure. And they actually are very secure. They have inbuilt hardware security, software security, and even firmware security. So in this video, we have learned about the computer servers and most commonly used servers. In the next video, we will learn about the different types of software that run these computers. See you in the next video. Till then, take care, Allah Hafiz, and goodbye.